Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Nurture Natural Way of Living. Today we are going to sow seeds of bitter gourd. So I have taken some seeds from the bitter gourd, from the bitter gourds or karela which were properly ripened. So it looks a kind of red color from outside. So we'll take out the seed from inside from that. Focus on this. Okay. So I'll just remove its outer layer. And see seed like this will come. Okay, so I'm just separating these seeds from it. So this way I'll take out seeds from all the these. I'll remove these layers. I've taken all the seeds. I'll soak that in water for 2 hours. So I have put the water and let it sit for 2 hours. So I've soaked them for 2 hours and we'll use the nail cutter to clip one side of these seeds. So that is very important step for faster growth of or sprouting of ridge gourds. So there are actually two sides to this seed. One has a pointed side like teeth is pointed, and other is a bit flat one. So you can see this is the pointed one at the top and flat one at the bottom. So we will cut from the bottom one, and so we'll do that for all the seeds. This is important. It helps the seed to come out from its shell. So I'm just cutting the flatter side. So this way we'll have a very small cut. We won't make a big cut that can make the seed useless. So this is the pointed side we have saved, and flat side is cut. I'll show you that properly. So I repeat that in all the seeds. I have around 30 seeds with me. So all the pointed sides are
These
retained.
seeds didn't sprout in 12 hours, so I have kept them for total 36 hours in water. You can do the same, and I'll show you some seeds have sprouted within water itself. You can see it has sprouted from the side where we had cut. So be careful when you make the cut. Make sure you cut from the side which is plain and not pointed one. So you can see some of the seeds have sprouted within water itself. Now it will be very easy for them to grow in soil, and the plant will come out fast. Okay. So now I'll sow these seeds in my plastic glasses with soil media. So what soil media I'm using is, I'm using 2 portion normal garden soil, 1 portion sand, 1 portion coco pit, and 1 portion vermicompost. So I have these plastic glasses available with me. I'll make hole under them for the drainage. So I'll make that as I have the screwdriver. I'll heat this up. With the candle, and then I'll put that through the plastic so that we can make the hole. So from the back side I'll make the hole. I made these type of holes for the drainage. You can use knife or whatever while heating it through the candle. You can see. Now this is my potting mixture, and I'll put that in glasses. So first I'll not fill the glass, so that after putting the seed I can top up some of the mixture on top of this. So this way I'll fill all the glasses. So I filled up all the glasses, total 17 glasses, and I'll put the seeds in them. So I'll put, these are around 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. More than around 30 seeds are there. So I'll put 2 seeds in each glass with some gap between them. It's not that all the seeds will germinate, so success ratio is not 100% anyways, so we can try 2 seeds in each one. After doing this, we'll cover it with a thin layer of the same soil media, and then we'll water it properly, and then we'll place that in sun. So in sun the germination happens quickly and there is less chance of catching fungus. Okay, so all seeds are done and I have 2 glasses left. I'll use that for something else. So now we have to put more soil media on top of that, like this. We'll just cover it up with the media. So same way I'll cover all the glasses. Now I'll water them one by one. So I'll sprinkle water. The mixture should remain moist, but it should not be soggy, otherwise our seeds will catch fungus. So I'll spray a little bit of water on it. See, now our purpose is not to make the complete soil till the end wet. It should be wet till the point we have our seed, and even if it goes down, that's fine, but the purpose is not to make the soil very wet. Okay, it should be only moist. So this way I'll water all the plants. You can put with the normal jug as well, but just make sure pressure should not be very high. You should keep your hand in between so that you don't get too much water into it. So I'll repeat this step on all the glasses. So I've made all the seedlings mixture moist. So one advantage of these plastic glasses is you are able to see till what point it is wet. Okay, so you don't overwater or underwater that, and you will be able to see the roots as well when it gets developed. So it's a cheap and good solution, and I don't throw these glasses. I reuse those glasses with all of my seedlings or my cuttings. Okay, I'll just like to show my other cuttings which I have done. So I got these cuttings from my neighborhood. It has multiple plants. It has tea tree, then it has this Kaner plant, then lantana plant is there. So multiple variety of indoor plants are also there. So I just sowed them day before yesterday. I'm waiting for success in these cuttings. So I have this here, this what to call, it's called bougainvillea. The name just skipped from my head. So I have multiple varieties here. So I keep on using these glasses and repeat them for another uses. So coming back to these Karela or bitter gourd seedlings, so do check every day that the mixture or The potting mix should not be dry, it should always be moist and should be properly kept in sun. Today is 5th of August and we can see bitter gourd has sprouted beautifully. It has such a strong stem, and I'll show you its root as well. See, this is the one root which is just at the top of the glass, and you see this. So such a long root it has developed in these 3 days. So it actually sprouted yesterday, so it came out of the glass or from the soil in 3 days. So in only 3 days it has gained so much. So that is how bitter gourd grows. This show it grows so quickly. In 3 days it has developed such a long root. Okay, I'll show you another glass as well. Okay, this one. I don't see a branch till now, okay, or stem till now. It's not out yet, but I can see the roots. See, this is one root and this is another root. Okay, so probably it will come out soon from the glass. So we'll wait for some days for it to grow properly within this glass, and then we'll transfer it to the larger pot. So these glasses I'm still waiting for roots to sprout or seeds to sprout. Probably I can see some root, but I'm not sure. Let's wait for a few more days and then we can be sure which glasses are having sprouting